Squishy challenge. Go back to part 1 to see Elnora. Show me like your favorite squishy. Your okay squishy. I'll be right back. Okay? You keep peeling. The one that you bring to school. The one that you're never bringing to school. The one that is kind of crusty, musty, and dusty, and you still haven't washed it. The one that looks like a dork. The one that you let your sister borrow. The 2 couples. The besties. The one that you can't find the piece to. That's all. Don't look at her, she's crusty. I didn't say anything, guys. My face.